Welcome back. So for the grand finale, what we have to do today is we're going to do a little bit of trimming on some of these, some of the overhang, and once everything is trimmed up, we can take a nice thick, probably a thin coating. I might do two thin coatings of resin and just lay it across this, wait for that to harden, give it a light sanding, and then a clear coat. So without further ado, I'm just gonna get right into it.
Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown, but we both know how to.
It is time for coat number 2. Let me show you how coat number 1 came out. So this is after coat number 1. You can see it's already right down here in like the little pocket in here. It's already filling in really nice. So what this is doing is just taking all these little high spots in the carbon and it's just being pulled on now. I'm going to actually have to wipe this off because of my oily hands. Anyway, yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. Let's get right into the time lapse.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're.
Alright, the second coat is laid on. This is how we look. So this is after using the heat gun to take out all the little air bubbles. After this, I might try and give it a sand. I think there might still be some spots up top that are going to need like a little bit right here after everything cures up. You could still see a little bit of the wave, the little wrinkles from the carbon in here. So I might give it one more coat before doing a sand. So I'm going to leave this to cure as is, and then we can check it once we get back here. I really got to look like a magician, you guys, now, just always seeing me in a different outfit every clip. But this is where we are now. Everything is fully cured and dried up. So what I'm going to do is, you can see there's some little stuff in here like this right here. I'm going to take my scuff pad, in which is right here, and good. I'm going to take my scuff pad, I'm going to go over this whole thing, scuff it up, and then I'm going to give it another coat. This is, by the way, it is very, very windy here. I'm just going to, is this necessary? To me, yeah. Look, like it is a war zone out here right now. Like we have these gigantic branches that have come down. I don't know if you could see the size of some of the stuff behind me, but it is very, very windy. But, all right, I don't even know if you're able to hear me with all this wind going on, but let's get into the clip. Let's do it.
I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
Alright, so after leveling everything down, this is now our final surface. Well, actually, this is our second to final surface. So this is everything sanded. Again, I didn't want to go too deep because I do not want to start reaching the carbon. So it is, you'll have like some little bumps like this, but this will all come out before our final clear coat because this is all in the actual carbon, and I don't want to reach the carbon for very obvious reasons, as it'll destroy the look. So what you're going to see, put another coat of resin on, let this thing harden, and then we should be all good tomorrow. Tomorrow should be the last coat before clear. I think last coat. So far I have 3 coats on right now, and I'm going to be doing one more. So we'll see how it goes. We'll take it from there.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.
Alrighty, I like the way that turned out. It's looking really good. The surface, as you can see now, is very, very smooth. So this, honestly, if some people were to just look at this, they would probably just keep it as is. Now, obviously, being the anal human being that I am, I need to put a coat of clear on this because I just need to do it the justice. Also, whatever leftover resin I had, I just kind of put up top over the fiberglass that I had originally laid over here just to kind of give it another double security. If I wanted to go even crazier, I could have just given it a whole another coat of fiberglass, which I don't think it needs because I already secured it down. This is where I'm going to leave off, actually, for today. I'm going to leave off on this, and then the last coat should just be a sanding and then a clear coat. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope I entertain you. I'll see you in the next one.